Are you tracking where your leads are coming from? Here's why this is important. You should definitely, either in your CRM or a Microsoft Excel document, whatever you have to do, track the source of where all your leads are coming from. The best way to do this, if you don't know exactly where they came from, is ask them, hey, how did you hear about me? And then you start documenting all of that information in that spreadsheet or in that CRM so that you can view that reporting and figure out, okay, I had 19 leads come in for the month of January. During this month, 5 of them came from social media, 2 of them came from my sphere of influence, 4 of them came from referrals, then 1 person came from Google or whatever. You'll find that there's going to be very consistent buckets where you're getting these leads from. And the reason why this is important is because if you're noticing that your leads are coming consistently from, let's say, social media, then you know that what you're doing is working, and to keep that consistent. If you notice that you're not getting enough leads from, let's say, online marketing or from your website, then you can ask yourself, all right, I'm obviously not getting leads from here. What can I do different, or what can I change so that I do? And then as you continue to track that and realize over an extended period of time, okay, it doesn't matter what I'm doing, it's still not working, it's probably time to get rid of that or stop paying money on that, because we don't want to pay money for a lead source if we're not getting any leads. But you won't know that unless you're actually tracking the data.